Well, friends, it happened. In the middle of nowhere, your car is not starting. Maybe it's a battery issue, maybe you just need to be jumped, but there's nobody around. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a super simple solution that's definitely handy to have on you in the event of something like this happening to you. In today's video, I'm gonna show you this DB Power portable jump starter. It might just be the perfect solution for the problem that you've run into. So let's take a look at what's inside. Now, again, this is advertised for a 10-liter gas or an 8-liter diesel engine. Now you can see on the side here, it's advertised at 2,500 amps as the peak current. So make sure this is going to work for your specific battery that you have in your engine. It also has some great protection built in. It can work between temperatures of -4 degrees all the way up to 140 degrees. We've also got an LED bright flashlight. Here's a few more of those tech specifications if you want to take a closer look. Now inside the box, we're going to find a couple of things. This is the main battery unit here. And then on the inside of the box, we're going to get a little carrying case, our jumper cables, as well as an instruction booklet. We've also got a little USB-C to regular USB charging cable. And this is what we're going to use to charge the main battery block back up once it has been depleted. You can see there's the little input where this would plug into. The other end is going to go into your wall. Unfortunately, we don't have a little wall adapter, so you will have to use either something you have around the house or a wall adapter with a USB port. Now on this side of the device, you can see we've got our little engine start input. That is what we're going to connect our jumper cables to, and we'll show you how to do that here in just a sec. We've got the flashlight on this end, as well as some outputs. Again, you can use your cables with your other devices if you'd like to charge directly off of this. It works like a portable battery pack. Now, if you do need to use that flashlight, basically what we're going to do is push and hold that power button for 3 seconds. You'll see the little flashlight indicator come on, and as you can see, it's now on. Again, just push that again once, and it'll turn to flashing mode. That's an SOS. Once more, and we just have a steady flash. Once more, and it goes to steady. I'm going to push and hold for 3 seconds, and that flashlight will go off. Now, to use these portable jumpers, you're going to have to locate your battery. Ours happens to be underneath the hood, where most vehicles keep their batteries, but yours may be in a different location. We're then going to make sure we have our portable battery pack close at hand. Again, these jumper cables are not very long, but that is a nice thing about this being so portable, is you can get your jumper right up next to your battery. Next thing we're going to do is actually plug this end into the top of our power pack over here on the left-hand side. This little compartment door opens up. You can see there's a squared end on one and then a round end on the top. So we need to make sure to insert it just like that. Again, that square end on the bottom. Should look something like this when you're done. Again, take note, there's a little LED working status description here that lets you know what your light statuses are. That's going to be very important. I'll show you what it looks like right now. When you push this in, we get a flashing green light, which means that this is inserted correctly and it's ready to be used. Now, this is going to be a simulated jump as I do have a fully charged battery, but again, the steps are going to be correct if you're trying to jump your own vehicle. Next thing we're going to do is actually turn the power on, and this needs to be at least 50% full in order to use this properly. Again, give it a full charge if need be. Okay, next we're going to connect our little jumper clamps. Again, we're going to be doing red to red or positive here. Let me take off this cover slip here. And as you can see on our specific car, we've got a little jump terminal area right here. So I'm going to connect that directly to that end, just like that. And then the black will go onto the negative terminal, just like that. Now at this point, we're going to get a steady green light, again, indicating that things have been connected correctly and we're ready to start our jump. Okay, we're then going to get in the vehicle and we're going to start the engine as normal. You should hear it fire right up if everything has worked correctly. Now at this point we can disconnect things. Again, leave the engine running. You want that alternator to charge the battery back up if that was indeed the problem. I'll remove the black and then I can remove the red. And we're ready to put this thing away. So there you go, friends. That is the DB Power portable jump starter. Cool little device. Definitely handy to have along on your travel adventures just in case you run into an emergency. Again, we'll put links for this down in the description box below. If this has helped, definitely hit that thumbs up button. We're making a bunch more of these little tutorial videos, little review videos to help you find products that can be helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again on the next one.